Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? I hope you're popping. Hello, my popping queens. Are you popping? Today, guys, I have my beautiful sister, guys. She is Agatha Phillips, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna be doing her makeup. She's gonna be using turbans. Guys, she's the queen of turbans. Yeah. You know the beautiful turbans I've been wearing on this channel and on my vlog channel is from her. So yeah, I'll put her link in the description box so you guys should check her out. So do you want to introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, I'm Agatha Phillips, a makeup artist as well, and also CEO of Luxury Turban in UK. Yeah. Luxury, we do all sorts of turban, Ankara print, bespoke turban. You want to do your wedding, you want to have turban for all your bridal, we do everything. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas, I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I no go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one can between us like 9 and 10. Now why I sing this love and
if you want to wear turban, remember to do your edges. So this is the edges done, okay? Edges on flake. So always remember to make sure your edges is nice because when you tie your turban, your edges is gonna show, okay? Yeah,
make it look nice.
Yes, it's gonna look nice and beautiful. Start with the foundation. You guys know how we do it. Foundation, then concealer, then contour, then brows, and all that kind of stuff. So what turban are you going to be using? You're not using this one, are you?
No, I'm not using
this. This is your everyday turban.
This is my everyday turban. This is my everyday turban. When I'm going out, I use this when I'm going out. When I want to go out. Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah.
So how do you wear this? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, so when I'm going out, just style it.
Okay.
Wear it on my shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, you can put any time you want.
Yeah. It's twisted at the front.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow.
And lovely. I have different types here. I have the Ankara one here. Wow. Every day.
That's nice.
So.
Wow.
Oh, comes are really nice.
This one is nice.
Yeah. Those are the suede type.
Okay.
We're at home. You can wear this at home.
Easy. Can you not wear it out?
You can wear it out. Wear it on.
So nice.
Really nice.
Oh, I like this
size. One. Yeah, this is really nice.
Oh wow. Oh.
So, as a bride, if you want to do your wedding and you don't want to wear the veil before you wear your gown, you can make this. Baby, baby, your loving way I require. I just sing aquaba. Baby, kilo desire. Your loving way I require. Yeah. Don't forget to bring your umbrella.
Oh, guys, foundation done. Look at that. All done. So I'm using MAC NW45. Okay. And the base I use is from Glam Melanin Mills. And the shade is bronze gold, I think. Bronze gold. Yep. So now we're gonna be concealing. Concealer.
Because that's what is trending now.
Okay.
Yeah. People use I do headband for people. I do photo band. Maybe when you're going for arty for dinner, I can make you a headband. Depending on the style you want. Sequence, so I make sequence as well to go with what actually you want. So if you tell me what you want,
I can make it.
I can make it.
So if I tell you I'm wearing like pink outfit, you can make the pink.
Yeah, I can make the pink. If you have your material.
Oh, you can use my material as well.
I can use your material as well to make it.
Oh, that's nice.
Making you even better cause I got you now. Yeah, I mean, girl, I got you now.
That medium dark.
Medium dark.
Yes, so I use
what color?
Yeah, I use medium dark mostly for most people. Okay. Most people medium dark always match. So what I do, I set with minerals, light skin finish. Sometimes I don't bake, but I sometimes still bake on top.
Yeah.
If I want that extra, I'll not put the baking powder on top. But I feel like if I set before baking, it makes the under eye not look cakey as well, because you have already set, so the powder will not go in between the line of the foundation or the concealer.
Is this NW50 you're using?
Yeah. I think I use 45, but if I want it to be dramatic, I use 50.
You know the way you apply your foundation on my face and it really smooth. If
The face is gonna be contored. That's what I'm doing. I'm using NW50. It's very dark. I want that contour to actually show. But I don't use NW50 for the nose. I can use the 45 itself even. This is mine. Because I like to bring my contour here. Like the blush.
Yeah.
Don't forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I know go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them. No one come between us like 9 and 10. Aye, now why I sing this love.
Just small. Just there.
Louder than this one.
Okay, so we're doing brows.
Steady chasing paper. Falling like we Lakers.
So if you close your eyes. When I do brows, guys, I like to ask people to close their eyes because when people are moving eyes, you can mistake.
Okay.
You can mistakenly draw something else because the person is shaking the eyes.
I just sing Aquaba. Baby kilo desire. Your loving way I require. Your man they talk Jack and you went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money.
Let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other one.
Yeah, I mean, girl, I got you now. I know go ever let you down. Girl, I go hold you down. Vegas to Las Vegas. Steady chasing paper. Balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar. Yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas. Steady chasing. I am it.
I'm gonna be applying the eyeshadow because I've already done the brows. Okay, popping queens.
The way you are going at, that is why the turban comes in. You can use the turban to cover your hair. It's stylish. You can go to party with it. You can go to club with it. You can go to church with it. It's just there. So you can use it without the wig. You can use it with the wig.
Wow.
Yeah, but for me, I feel less pressure, you know, going out. I just dress up with my turban on and I'm out.
Without even wear wig? Without
wearing wig. It's trending and I really love it. Okay. And I like the way I'm doing it.
Your loving way I require. Don't forget to bring your umbrellas. I'ma make it rain on you, dada. I know go bobo you rara. Be your royalty, be my diadem. Like Kanye and Kim, you admire them.
It's the pressure of looking for, you are going out, you're looking for a wig, you want to brush your wig, you want to apply cream, you want to straighten your wig, those ones. The pressure is too much, so you just put your turban on. And I've made different types, different styles that I can use, that will go with my outfit when I'm going out. Yeah.
So do you ship international?
Yeah, I ship international. I got lots of orders from the US, especially one I got from Dubai. I was like,
oh
wow,
my God.
Wow.
Yeah,
wow,
Dubai
wow.
people will buy a lot.
Yeah.
That's true. Dubai people definitely will buy.
I got lots of orders from Dubai. Like, really?
Yeah, Dubai people.
Oh.
Yeah. Because they like those kind of stuff.
Yeah, they like this kind of stuff. So.
Want a little bit more. Yep.
Lagos to Las Vegas. Steady chasing paper. Balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar. Yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas. Steady chasing. I am it.
This is one of my design, the bow one. Any shape you want at the front, I can design it for you. If maybe you see something else outside and you said, oh, you love this, you can send it to me and I will do it. So this is one of my design. Look at this, how you wear it. You always wear it so that your front hair can show as well, so it makes it look nice. Yeah, so this is how you dress with. You can see the edge at the front, so it's more nice and stylish when you put it there. So this one, you can wear this one for anything, to the beach, club. You can have different kind of Ankara design. Oh, look at how beautiful this one is. I have this on my Etsy shop as well. I have different colors on this one, and the prices are quite affordable. I have black, I have blue, I have mixed material. Yeah, so that's it. So it's all nice, well done. So just visit my sites and you'll see everything there. Well done. When you're going out, put your shirts on, your jeans on, your trainers, and you're bouncing.
Went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Talk is cheap, make you spend money, or make you no even bother. Cause I got you now. Yeah, I mean, girl, I got you now. I no go ever let you down. Girl, I go hold you down. Yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing paper, balling like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar, yeah, yeah. Lagos to Las Vegas, steady chasing. Oh, yeah, man.
Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate. Please do visit my site to make your orders. I will appreciate it so much. And please do leave your comments below, like, subscribe. Also, my description, my contact is going to be on the description box where you can contact me. If you want to do a consultation, you can also contact me on my phone as well. So thank you guys. You can see I'm popping already. So this is the black color. Goes with abaya, kimono, anything that how you want to dress it, it goes with anything. So it's not that picky. You see, you can wear wig under it as well on this, so it's fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Like we Lakers. Girl, you on my radar.